Welcome back again, my people. I have another video for you all here today. It's a while I haven't made a video. I bought two temperature sensor to install in my solar cabinet for my equipment to keep the inverter cool. So I'm just making a video to show how it been done, how to install it. Look, I have one here. There's a temperature sensor controller SH-W3001. Okay, the way you wind this wire on the left, that's a power wire. The red is a positive and the black is a negative. I'm using my drill battery to do a demonstration to show how it's been done. And the yellow wire and the black connected to the fan. Okay, and then here is the temperature sensor. That's it on the side there. Now with this you can calibrate it to whatever temperature you want to, because it works by Celsius. I already have one installed in my cabinet. As it here. Okay, right now it reads the temperature under the chassis of the inverter. When it reaches until like 37 Celsius, the relay will kick and the fans will come on. Now I have one fan here. I only block it because I want all the fresh air to come straight to the inverter. So push all the fresh air to the inverter, and I have this one here, that's the exhaust fan. We pull in the hot air out. That's how it looks like on the other side outside. This one, that's the one that pull in the hot air outside. Oh, I forget to put the cap on it. There's a cap for you. A cap. Okay, there's a cap for it. And let me show you all the other one on the other side. This is my beautiful Outback solar system. It works very well for me. Very well. Give me no trouble, perfect for me. Okay, that's the one that brings all the fresh air to the inverter. This fan is it's a high-speed fan. It works. It pushes a lot of fresh air inside in the cabinet. Let me show you how it's been done. That's the temperature. I'll just adjust it so I can force it to work early. Okay. Should be coming on pretty soon. Okay, bring the temperature down so I can force it so I can work pretty soon, so you can see how it working and how the fan sound like. Okay, so click in. So as you click in, it bring all the fresh air to the inverter, and this one pulling all the hot air out. So this one is the exhaust fan to pull the air out. So let me close the cabinet door. Show you all the temperature of the inverter. Okay, transformer is at 44 Celsius and output FETs at 47 Celsius. Capacitors at 40 Celsius. It keeps the inverter really cool. So the fan in the inverter, it works less harder. When it's on the load, it takes a very long time before it comes on, because those little fan keep the inverter very cool. Okay. Alright, so I unplug it. So That's my old back. So far, I like my system. It's worked very well. See? The temperature is going down. When you reach at 45 Celsius, it will stop. Okay, that's 45.5, climbing down, 45.4. $35.3. There's my home over there. $35.2. Climbing for 5.1. It will stop soon. $35.1. I have the temperature sensor. There's a temperature on the side of the chassis of the inverter. So that's what I'm measuring, only the temperature of the inverter. Okay, it's stopped right now. Okay. Alright, so far today, that's what the system harvest from today. So the system harvest today, 5.1 kilowatt for today. And it's floating. It's about after 4 here, getting to 200 watts. The battery is full, it's floating. I charge my battery up to 57.7. That's the highest I take my battery. Normally on morning when I get up my battery, it should still be at like 56.6 on morning. So far my system works very well for me. The battery is holding very well. I have the Nissan Leaf under that, well covered. 45 pieces of them. And then there is the e-Golf battery. The e-Golf battery is a very good battery. I hardly recommend it to anybody. It works perfect. That's why I can make my interconnection to the battery with an Anderson connector. Alright, stay tuned for another one. I'll make another video soon. Here comes the fun comes on again. So every few minutes it bringing fresh air to the inverter to keep the cabin cooler plus the inverter. Okay? Okay, later folks, bye.